Sabina and Yumna in real life are amazing. Sabina though is a crazy Sabina is like a cute panda. Yeah. Sometimes when she's like very angry, she's like all over the place. She's jumping here and there and she does things you cannot imagine. And when she's like and there are days when she's extremely calm. तो सब वो तो हमारी ऐसी. Promos are there to give you hints about next episode, and it has given you hint of sexual abuse or marital rape or any sort of conflict which you have seen in the promo. The episode will resolve it, or maybe the other episodes coming will resolve it. कोई भी conflict ड्रामे में अगर राइटर लिखता है तो वो resolve भी करता है.